Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my review of Done For You Authority, a product which helps you make money online. How do you make money from this? Well, a brand new Done For You web bot looks for expired high value domains, you buy them for $10 or less, then sell them on at profit. Now, before we go into the demo of Done For You Authority, I'm going to give you the chance to win a free ebook with hints and tips from affiliate marketers on how to make money online. Now, these are from really successful affiliate marketers, and this will help you in your journey to make money online. Now, in order to do this, in order to get this ebook, you will need to do three things. Number one, subscribe to my channel. Number two, like the video. And number three, tell me what is unusual about this video. There are two things that are unusual in this video. Write these things in the comments below and I will post the link to this free exclusive ebook exclusive to this channel only. Okay guys, so this is the dashboard. And as you can see, a lot of domains have been checked and a lot of URLs have been checked, almost 3 billion of them. Now, of the domains that have been checked, you can buy 34,000 of them. Obviously not at once, unless you've got the money. But a lot of these domains are available for under $10, okay? So there's a lot of profit to be made from this. One thing that I need to point out about this now is the fact that these domains are exclusive, so you will not find these domains anywhere else, so there will be a lot less competition. One of the fantastic things about Done For You Authority is that this product only contains real authority to domains. These domains have backlinks from high authority sites like Wikipedia, .gov, .edu and many more. So this is good traffic, guys. This is really good traffic and you will have a higher SEO rating and you'll be able to get many more people to your site because of this high authority. Okay, so let's look at the domains that are available. Okay, so we've got all the domains here. Now, let's see what we can find here. Now, my niche is cars. Okay, so I'm going to put cars in the search bar here. Okay, and I also want .com, .net or .org. So that's what I want there. You can put .whatever. Now, also, this is a very useful feature. You can put found on. So, for example, found on wikipedia.org, and this will make the trust score and the SEO score far higher, which will get you more traffic, okay, if it's on a trustworthy site already. Okay, and we've got the dates here, and the second thing is the Moz score. Now, the Moz score is basically an overall score for if there's a good page or not. So we've got different factors like the spam score, minimum Moz links, and we've got the page and domain authority. Now the main one that you want to look at is the page authority. So we want a page authority of 15 or more. Anything less than that and it's not worth buying, okay? So that's the main thing you want to select, okay? So we've got cars and we've got page authority of over 15 or over for the Moz page authority, okay? So let's see what we can find here. Okay, so we've got best convertible car seats 2014.com. We don't want that because 2014 is past and it would be not very useful. Let's see if we've got any more here. Okay, we've got one here. We've got nascarspace.com. And let's see. Okay, so this one here looks good. If you want to reveal the other sites, you can buy them with credits. You get 250 credits with the Done For You Authority purchase, okay? Now, let's choose this one here. Now, nascarspace.com. Let's see what it's like. Okay, Page authority 23. 23 is a pretty good score. So let's go to buy this domain. How much is it? Let's see. $9.99. That's pretty good. Let's add that to the cart. Now, once you've bought the site, obviously, or the domain, sorry, you can get a good price for it. So you can sell, you can buy it for $9.99 and sell it at profit. Okay, so yeah, wonderful, wonderful tool. Obviously, the more sites you sell, the more money you get. There are other ways of making money through this, and that is included in the training as well. So this is a wonderful piece of authority, wonderful piece of software, sorry, and done for your authority is very worth buying, guys. And I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will speak to you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all soon. Bye bye.